on our live, and we will address it within our PMC podcast. Good noon to all. Comment po kayo, and please do share our live stream, and don't forget to like and follow PMC or Premier Medical Center. Ayan. So today, we are starting this conversation that affects people at every stage of adulthood. And I think breast cancer is something that we really need to talk about. And joining us or to guide us through this crucial discussion, we are honored to have with us a highly respected guest with specialty focus on diagnosing and treating breast cancer. Our guest for today is a specialist in general and cancer surgery with focused expertise in surgical oncology and breast thyroid surgery, head and neck surgery, gallbladder surgery, gastrointestinal surgery, and colorectal surgery, serving patients at Premier Medical Center Zamboanga and beyond. Behind these specialties is a surgeon dedicated to improving lives through expert diagnosis, advanced surgical techniques, and individualized treatment plans delivered with professionalism and heart. Let us all welcome Dr. Alex Escolastico Cerillo. Hello, Doc. Ayan, so andito na si Doc finally. Ayan, eto Doc, bibigyan kita ng mic para marinig ka ng ating madulang people all over the world.
Yeah.
Taga saan ba si Doc Cirillo?
Uh, Originally, I'm from Iloilo.
Aha.
Pero,
Iloilo.
yeah, Iloilo
Namit
City.
gid
Ilong,
mga
Bukid.
namit gid mga pagkaon
Oo.
doon. Galing ako doon, Doc. Like
Okay.
I think 2 weeks ago for Mang
Batsoy.
Inasal.
Amang inasal.
Yeah, kasi doon
Batsoy.
hindi, I mean event ng Mang Inasal kasi doon po yung pinakaunang branch nila.
Yes.
Ano yung favorite food mo ng
Of course, Batsoy.
batchoy? Asang
Oh,
pinakalami na
oh.
batchoy dito?
There are three.
Okay. Baka
Dicos,
napuntahan ko yan.
tsaka Ted's.
Oo,
Okay.
napuntahan ko nga yan,
Oo.
Dok. What do you miss about Iloilo na wala, bukod sa batchoy, na wala dito sa Zamboanga?
Nakalimutan ko na yata masyado sa
Kasi
Iloilo.
matagal-tagal
Matagal
na.
na. No? Okay.
Ang mga pastries nyo doon, Dok,
Yeah.
grabe.
Panaderia de Molo.
Aha.
Yeah. Pero kasi,
Robertos?
Roberto's, that's siopaw. Wow.
Yeah, ang
The
sarap ng
best siopaw.
siopaw. Sobrang
Lalaki.
laki.
Yeah.
And also,
Sobra-sobra.
sobrang ganda rin ng facade ng
Kansi.
Iloilo.
You know?
Kansi, ang sarap
Mm,
din, Dok.
okay.
So, how did you, or how were you able to go to Zamboanga from Iloilo?
Okay. My school, UP,
Mm-hmm.
PGH, is across St. Paul's
Oh.
College of Nursing. So,
Mhm.
my wife is a
Ayun
nurse.
naman.
Okay. And she's from Zamboanga with the Ascaraga Abaro clan. Okay. So,
Oh.
yeah. Kinapture ako. Kinidnap ako.
Totoo pala yung chismis, kinid-kidnap.
Kinidnap. So, I migrated here. Okay.
Oh.
Uh,
So when did you come to Zamboanga?
1987.
Pinanganak pa lang ako nun, Dok.
Oo, Tardaya gayot.
87 yo ya kumigo ya parido.
Yeah.
So that's 38, almost 39 years ago.
Almost 14 na nga siguro.
40? Oh my
Oo.
gosh. So, pero nung nagkakilala po kayo, doctor ka na ba or you were still studying?
Medical student.
Medical student and then nurse.
Nurse. Kasi
Ay.
there's always, every year, there's a soiree
Aha.
between medical students and nursing students.
Ayun. Ay, nako.
Ano ba to? Love story na
Siyempre, ganun. We wanna get to know you before we discuss the nitty-gritty of breast cancer. So, now, takiya ka tu, sabi tuman siya baka ano?
Kasi hindi ato pwede bende
Ana, hindi
conmigo.
pa depende gali. So, si ando ustedes man check up, pwede ustedes man siya baka ano
Si-
kun, doktor. Ayan. So, shout out din sa wife ni Doc. Ayan. Nurse.
Maridel.
Ay, go kami nurse.
Ah,
So, Doc,
nearsighted.
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 So, pwede po kita araman discuss ya breast cancer because I know a lot of people are wanting to ask questions and are wanting to, get a glimpse of what breast cancer is all about.
Yeah.
So, whenever you talk about breast cancer, is it a sad encounter or how is it?
It's always a sad encounter for the
Yeah.
patient.
Explaining it to them.
Yeah, and sometimes a sad encounter because of poverty, they could not take the necessary treatment.
That's
They
true.
could not afford. But despite the explanation that the government now provides everything, they can be
Mm-hmm.
treated. And we, in Zamboanga City, Chenea Kita Cancer Center, which everything is available for free
Mm-hmm.
na. But ang problem, I really don't know, siguro awareness and more information.
Uh-huh.
No? Pero kasi pag general, carry mga
So pakilaya ba to man explain breast cancer to a in layman's term that people can understand?
most patients will come to us with chenebukol.
Bukol gayud.
Okay,
Yeah.
so when we examine as a specialist, whenever we examine, after the examination, tiyan kami usually suspicion na breast cancer sa based on experience, based on the presentation of
Mm-hmm.
the lump.
Lamp.
Okay,
Mm-mm.
so si el lump el duro,
Mm-hmm.
isa lang yung man-mention. Si el lump el duro and usually hindi duele,
Mm-hmm.
malamang. Okay? Cancer yan sa
Oo.
breast. No? Kaya mga hindi cancer, blando lang siya, mga
Oo.
cyst. Kabar, most of the time, duele sila kasi it's related with menstruation.
Opo.
Pero yung mga cancer, they're not
They're not
painful. That
oo.
most patients will not consult. Kasi
Mm-mm.
taobla sila. Pregunta kami, por que man mo ito
Consult
consult ka?
ahead.
Mo ito sintinada, hindi man duele.
Exactly.
That's the problem. So we want to
So
explain
we
this
want
to
to
the
raise
patient.
awareness
Yes.
that
Okay.
even if the lump doesn't hurt, you have to consult a physician.
Even basta lang may lump.
Mm-mm.
That's why I will not explain kung anong cancer na lump o hindi. I would just
Oo.
want them to know, pag may lump sila, magpakonsulta sila. Kami
True.
nang bahala doon mag-determine kung cancer because may
Yes.
mga tests.
So
Okay.
talking about cancer, what is cancer in general?
Okay? So, may makikita naman sa slide siguro dyan, no?
Opo.
Okay? So, may definition tayo ng cancer. Okay? Cancer is a group of diseases characterized by uncontrolled. Hindi mo pwede kontrola. Okay? Yung growth ng and spread of the abnormal cells. So, abnormal cells is na hindi to pwede kontrola. Takida mucho, takida grande, and then it will disrupt the body function. Okay? So, kung sa breast o sa kahit onde parte na kwerpo. And si dehatos unchecked and not treated, these cells can invade nearby tissues
Mm-hmm.
surrounding or to other distant organs. So, si na breast, si tiyan nito, dehatos pwede siya mangkalayat na lungs, na liver, na buto, na bukog, or even the brain. No? So, yan ang cancer. Kaya, importante, malaman mo kaagad kasi pag na-diagnose mo, matitreat siya. So, if you ask me, paano nag-start ang cancer?
Yes. How does it develop in the body?
Yeah. It starts with the cell.
Okay.
Yung cell natin, no, iba-ibang cell sa iba-ibang parte ng katawan. So, sa breast may iba din. So, itong cell, nagkakaroon ng mutation, changes because of some factors like environment, chronic infection, sunlight, or even radiation. Some will cause changes na mag-mutate. Okay? When you say mutate, nag-change siya ng structure niya. There are 3 types of mutation. Pwede sa normal mutation lang na walang mangyayari. Mayroong good mutation. Ito yung mutation na yung cells mo mag-i-improve para mag-improve yung immune system mo.
Opo.
And the third one is the bad because siya ang nagiging cancer, nagiging abnormal sa, and mabilis sa grow, no? So, yun ang problema. So, initially, dyan lang yan siya sa area niya, pero pag dumami siya, mag-i-invade na yan siya, kakalat, lalaki ng lalaki. Kasi isang cell, pag dumami, magiging bukol.
Mm-hmm.
Okay? Pag nagiging bukol na siya, pag hindi na kaya ng organ mo, pwede na siyang kumalat.
Opo.
Ang unang kumalat sa lusay o kulani. Kung sa breast, sa kilikili. Kung sa thyroid, sa neck.
Opo.
Okay? Kung sa mga paa, sa melanoma, mga cancer sa skin dito, sa singit, sa kiliki. Okay?
Porque ba sila Dok Pirmi na mga akil mga areas na close? Kasi taliel?
Talya el drainage ng lymphatics.
Lymph,
Okay.
correct.
si remember to, tiyan ito sugat na piyes,
Aha.
sugat lang na infection, tiyan ito pangadlay sa Bisaya.
Si.
Amo kel, the lymph nodes, siya yung una
React.
mag-react, ipiprevent yan
Oh.
na kukubalat pa lalo sa katawan mo. So,
Por
siyang
eso gali.
first line of defense doon. Yun ang kan. Pero pag cancer, siya rin unang sumasalo. So,
Opo.
okay. So, that's why tinitingnan namin parating kulani. Kung sa breast sa
Si.
kilikili.
So, talking of ano naman, tumors.
Okay.
Ano naman siya and are they always cancerous? Matik ba pag tumor, cancer ya pa siya?
Okay. Dapat makorek na no pa kasi pag sinabi if you say tumor akala nila cancer na.
Exactly.
Tumor is just a lump.
Ayun.
It could be cancer. It could
Could be
be not
not.
o benign. So,
Ayun.
sabihin natin pag hindi cancer, benign ang tawag.
Mm-mm.
Pag cancer, malignant.
Malignant.
Okay? So, hindi dapat kailangan magpa-check up ka para malaman ng doktor.
Yes.
Okay.
So, it doesn't mean na, yabla ko tigo, siya na to tumor.
Tiyan ito
So, hindi automatic na, ay, cancer ya. Hindi. So,
Hindi.
there's still a diagnosis kung benign ele or malignant. Si benign, so hindi ele cancer. That's the good news.
Okay.
That's the silver lining.
Pero
Pero-
nung sila man decide, the doktor man.
Yes. No mataman o sa man una-una na.
Una-una.
Ay, ano
Ay,
yan,
benign
te?
lang siguro.
Oo,
Ste. Si
hindi
almost
pwede.
common
Amo
cause ng
yagat,
delay.
te.
Oo.
Amo.
Tabla tamin sila, ay, hindi man duele. So, benign ste.
Si.
Hindi si cancer.
So, talking about benign and malignant tumors, yan explain niya si Doc ko sa difference. Sa L1 is cancer,
Cancer.
L1 is hindi.
Yeah.
So, example, ara, benign pa ele, Doc, can it lead or progress to malignant?
Usually, or if I say no. Pag benign sa.
Benign yun.
But there are some pre-malignant, no? Yung mga ductal carcinoma in situ, mga precancerous na lesion.
Precancerous.
They are called stage 0.
Oh.
Pero sa tingin mo parang benign, no?
Aha.
Pero later on, magiging
Can-
stage 1 sa
Oo. If not,
cancer if not treated.
Treated,
Okay.
exactly.
So precancerous yun. Pero yung mga benign, like sa breast, may mga cyst tayo, fibroadenoma. Hindi yan pwede maging cancer. So
Ayun.
hindi dapat ginagamit as reason na operahan na lang yung pasyente.
Oo.
Hindi dapat yun.
Ayun. So,
Itetest mo.
i-test muna. So, example, may breast cancer siya, Doc. Can it spread to other parts of the body?
Yes, yung first talaga is sa kilikili, sa kulane, no? Pag hindi na kaya ng kulane, una yung pupuntahan, okay, sa lungs, sa bones, sa liver.
Ayun.
Later, sa brain, no? Pwede sa bones. So yan ang mga common, pero that's already incurable pag yan yung stage. We don't want that to happen.
Correct.
Kaya yun yung mga sad moments ko parati pag nakikita ko yung mga pasyente na
Yes.
dati na pala na-diagnose, tapos hindi nagpagamot, sinabihan na sa operahan.
Agay.
Ay,
So,
ganun.
how common is breast cancer aki na Zamboanga?
In fact, in the whole Philippines and the world, number 1 pa rin breast
Number
cancer.
1 for women.
Sambuanga, number 1 pa rin din siya.
Oo.
Okay.
And
So-
I think the reason is because a lot of people are not having themselves checked.
Ang check kasi is just to diagnose early
Yeah.
so that you can be treated and it can be cured. Or ibig sabihin, the survival is around 95%
Si.
to almost 100%.
Mhm.
Pero yung cost na bakit common sa babae is because in the Asia, tayo lang ang pinakamataas.
Oh.
Okay? So,
Does
may,
it have to do with our ethnicity or ano ba?
hindi
Porque
nga
aki ka
eh.
naton.
Hindi
Or
nga
may
eh.
Kasi,
Pero probably because masado na tayong hybrid eh. I don't know, ex-breeding eh. So, manada yung mga
Manada,
Caucasian sa mga
oo.
American. Pero just say example na hindi sa because of Asian tayo. Is, Japanese has low breast cancer. When they go to America, they adopt the culture, the food. Tumataas ang incidence ng breast cancer sa American ng mga Japan, including Filipinos.
Filipino.
So, partly environment,
Mhm.
culture or yung way of life mo.
Mhm. So, yan yung mga risk factors.
Yeah. Doon pupunta ngayon. Pagkain.
Okay.
So, smoking.
Oo.
sa Amerika maraming obese.
Oo.
So, ano yan,
Agay,
pag obese
aray
ka,
ko.
ala!
Kaya na yung heart.
Yeah.
Fan run niya kita
Na panran
lego.
niya.
Oo. So,
Alcohol.
you've mentioned that this is number one for women,
Yeah.
but can men also have breast cancer?
Yes, definitely. Mayroon naman silang breast tissue pero very, very small ang quantity. So, they can still, but 1%. So, recently we have, and unfortunately, hindi nagpa-check, kumalat na. So, hindi ko na. We have a lot of patients with breast cancer sa male.
Siya kasi mga common misconception, Doc, or I mean, notion na tankos ba sa mga antiperspirants, mga deodorants, breast cancer?
Ay, that's a myth.
Ah,
Okay,
okay.
okay. Marami ka, pag i-google mo, alam mo naman yung Google is for waste basket yan eh.
Ano?
Garbage in, garbage out.
Actually, Doc, I'll Google, mas malo ka naton mata.
Yes.
Because the information are, parang taksi ko naton espanta.
Any scammers or any hawks, may ilagay nila sa...
Talye.
So, pwede yan makapture ng Google.
Mm-mm.
Okay. So, ang nangyayari is that sa... Ano na ba yung question natin tungkol sa
Deodorant.
deodorant? Okay. Pagbasahin mo, sabihin nila, it will block the pores. Nabasa mo yan, sigurado. Okay. So, hindi makakalabas yung toxin, kaya nagaling sa breast, so it will cause cancer. Okay. No, it will not. There are no studies that deodorant will cause. But if you need to put deodorant because
It's
high-powered
humid.
lang electrically mo.
Kasi
Okay
pag
lang.
hindi siya yung mamamatay, Doc, baka yung katabi niya. Ay,
Yes.
Char lang, Doc.
High-powered yun, ano?
Yung katabi yung namatay.
That's why it's invented. Talagang, yeah, if you go to India, problem.
Amo yung gano'n. So, kung sa cause del breast cancer, so you mentioned different risk factors. Pero kung sa bagay yun sa usually eltan cause?
Actually, it's unknown. Pero
Unknown.
maraming cause. Okay. There are different types. Merong hereditary.
Ah, yun.
Okay. But very small percent, 5 or 10%. Mayroong wala talagang risk factors. Sasabihin mo, wala naman akong risk factors. Wala akong sa nanay, wala akong sa pamilya. Hindi ako nagiinom, hanggang ganito. Yet, actually, that's the sporadic. Marami yan. And the third is familial. It may run in the family, hindi sa hereditary, wala sa genes siya, pero
Sa kanila
mas
lang.
mataas ang chance mo. Pero iba yung hereditary. If you know
Opo.
Angelina Jolie,
Opo.
okay, hereditary yung sa
Yung sa
kanya.
kanya.
O may genes siya, pina-check niya yung genes niya, nag-positive, kasi yung nanay niya mayroon din. Prophylactic mastectomy siya. And we can do that now.
Oh.
We're doing that already kasi there are group of patients na maging positive. May gene test kasi, BRCA1 and
Opo.
BRCA2. May test yan.
So, may innovation na rin
Ay,
over
yeah,
time.
matagal na ito.
Tagal.
Mabagal
Does
lang
it
tayo.
cost much?
Medyo.
Medyo.
Ah,
Kasi
medyo.
nga, parang konti pa lang yata yung
Yeah, doon ka sa Manila, sa big centers.
dito,
pwede.
wala pa.
Papadala.
Ayan.
Okay.
So, baka malay nyo soon, magiging available din yan sa
Okay.
Premier
So,
Medical Center.
Yun na yung tatlo,
Mhm.
pero may mga risk factors. If
Okay.
you can avoid this, malilesen yung chance mo. Number one is yung, anong tawag nito? Sa babae, no?
Mhm.
Yung early menarche,
Okay.
late menopause,
Uh-huh.
hindi ka nabuntis,
Oh.
okay? Or late pregnancy.
Mhm.
Anong reason? Common denominator is estrogen.
Okay.
Pag early menarche ka, exposed ka early sa estrogen.
Mhm.
Pag late menopause ka, exposed ka
Mahaba.
more.
Mahaba.
Kung hindi ka nabuntis, exposed ka pa rin. Kasi pag buntis ka, wala na estrogen, progesterone na.
Yes,
Okay?
correct.
Kaya sabi nga nila, lactation is a protective
Protective.
and saka
Oh.
pregnancy. Yan. Next is alcohol. Third is high cholesterol diet, so obesity. Ang reason is because may precursor sa alcohol
Mhm.
na nagko-convert to estrogen. Ganun din sa fats.
Mhm.
Okay? And the other one, alcohol as acetaldehyde, which is carcinogenic. Okay?
Mhm.
So, yun. Next is, yun na nga, yung dietary. So, kasama na rin niya yung sa food.
Lifestyle.
Okay? So, wala ka masyadong exercise. No? So, yun yung mga, which is common to all
Oo,
cancers din.
actually.
Okay.
So, ano ba yung symptoms? Para at least aware po yung mga nanonood. Ano ba yung symptoms ng breast cancer and how is it staged?
Once nagka-symptoms ka na, it's quite late na yan. I mean, hindi na sa early. So, wala.
So, what do they do
So,
now to make sure
yeah.
na, medyo ma-prevent natin siya?
there comes the screening.
Ayun.
Okay. So, at starting the age of 40,
40.
dapat lahat ng babae, lalo na may mga family history,
Mhm.
magpamammography.
How often?
That's only once a year.
Once a year.
Okay. For those na may parents na nagka-cancer younger, so should be 10 years earlier. So kung nagka-cancer sa 40, dapat 30 yung anak niya, nagpa-mammogram na siya. And mammogram is available now here in Zamboanga City Medical Center, tsaka the other hospital. Hindi na, kasi private siya, hindi ko na i-mention. Okay, alam naman yun eh. Okay.
Ayan. So,
Kasi kung mayroon dito, i-mention mo talaga.
oo. Baka soon, balay nyo
Soon,
meron na.
lahat naman yan
Oo.
soon, no? Okay, so
Self-exam, Doc. How often do we need to do it?
that's one. That's another one. Actually, that's the first breast self-examination. All women starting nag-menstruation na sila. Breast self-examination sila.
When
If
do
you're-
we do it?
Okay. If you're menstruating, you have to do it 1 week after your menstruation
Oo.
to let your breast subside.
Aha.
Kasi if you do it just before menstruation, okay, namamangkay yung breast. Okay? Marami kang makakapa dyan. Okay? So, it's not. So, pag post-menopausal ka na, it's only on the first day of the month lang sa kalendaryo. So, you have to just do it. And then, pag may diferensya sa tingin mo, may pagkaiba before. That's why, mag-start sila mag-breast para alam nila yung breast nila. Para sa
Correct.
feeding, alam na nila kung anong Once may problema, consult. Added to that, yung screening ng mammography. Ang problema kasi, hindi pa libre. Pero ang PhilHealth sabi magiging libre na di ba? So dapat may screen natin and we can capture them early.
Kasi number 1 siya eh. So
Oo,
dapat
yeah.
it's also the top priority.
Complemented yan with ultrasound.
That's
Okay?
right.
So yun lang ang gagawin. Once may na-detect, kailangan na may biopsy.
So mag self ha, hindi sa mga boyfriend, hindi sa mga asawa magpa-test. Self-test, ayan. So, and I think most health centers in your area are teaching us how to do it. Kung meron po kayong mga nurses na mga kakilala, you can also ask them how to do it. Pero usually, ito talagang, tama ba, Doc? Itong mga ends
Fingers.
talaga ng fingers natin kasi sila
Yung pad.
yun talaga yung nakakapag-determine.
Oo.
I'll do a video about it para
But
at least aware.
unfortunately, even some physicians cannot examine kasi minsan, lalo pag lalaki, iniwasan nila yung nipple areolar
Opo.
area. Nahiya. Okay.
Opo.
Maski yung pasyente mismo, iniwasan nila
Opo.
kasi maybe sensitive or what,
Opo.
nahihiya, culture. Ayan ang problema.
Sa culture natin din, yes. Oo. And how can the patient tell the difference between normal breast changes and signs of cancer? So, example, pagkapa niya, Dok, ganyan. Ay, parang matigas. Ganun ba?
Huwag niyo na hintayin na may i-differentiate. Basta may nakapasa ang abnormal, pa-check up na
Yun
siya.
agad.
Kasi pag tinuruan natin kung kailan yung nakapa niya cancer, baka nagkamali siya, hindi siya pa-check up. Kasi sabi ni Doc, hindi yan cancer.
Kaya nga. So, ang screenings, once a
consult.
year, upon reaching 40 years old. Pero, kapag merong
Hindi, 14 naman. Yung mga na talaga, sexually active na. Mga 25, 30.
pwede na.
Pwede na.
Ayun. At, so,
Kasi hindi naman common before, although mayroon kaming patient na 18, pero hindi pa sa common.
yung
before.
mammogram kasi, Doc, whenever you talk about it,
Yeah.
painful ba siya? Kasi iniipit eh.
Naging stigma yan because in the past,
Diba?
yung mga mammogram are mga old, na non-digital, na
Okay.
manual.
Oo.
Okay. And most of them, hindi na schedule during post-menstruation. So, minsan na timingan na menstruation.
Masakit
Hindi pa
yun.
makokontrol, masakit.
Masakit.
Even na digital ngayon, iba kasi, diretso lang, hindi na-advisean. And, nasa mind na nila, sinabi masakit.
Kaya nga.
Hindi,
Once,
hindi naman.
once suspected, is biopsy required?
Yes, basta ang ultrasound and mammogram will categorize it whether you need a biopsy. Okay, so may category yan like kung sa mammogram sinabing BI-RADS 4 for ABC. BI-RADS 4 is suspicious. So suggest mammogram na yan.
Mammogram.
Biopsy pala.
Biopsy.
And the
Ayun.
biopsy, actually, tutusukin mo lang ng karayom, core needle.
So, masakit.
May anesthesia.
Okay. May
Okay.
anesthesia naman pala.
Okay. Mas masakit pa yung magtusok ng COVID injection. Oo,
O
mas
kasi may
masakit pa
anesthesia
magtusig din.
naman.
Pero yung anesthesia, yun na masakit ang pag-inject. But there's
Mm.
some technique, if we use the needle na ginagamit from Botox, hindi siya
Mm.
masakit kasi liit-liit
Oy,
nun.
nagpapabotox nga kayo, hindi kayo nasaktan
Oo,
eh, 'di
ganun.
ba?
Pero
Ito.
normally kasi ginagamit ng iba is gauge 22,
Opo.
21. Ang sakit-sakit nun.
Masakit.
I use dito available gauge 25. Naubos na kasi yung gauge 31 ko.
Oo. So what are the main treatments? For example, pagpunta po sa inyo, na-diagnose nyo na, ay, may breast cancer. Ano na ang next step?
There are several modalities
Mhm.
ng treatment, no? First is surgery, second is chemotherapy, third is radiotherapy, fourth is hormonal therapy, meron pa ngayon immunotherapy and targeted therapy.
Mhm.
Okay, may radiation therapy.
Reconstruction.
Reconstruction is just a add-on to those patients who want their breast to be reconstructed. Pero
Okay.
hindi common sa Pilipinas.
Yes. Pero, do they get to choose?
Hmm?
Do they get to choose kung anong treatment muna yung...
Oh yes, we can offer and depending on the stage.
Ah.
Actually, if you are, that's why we want early diagnosis,
Mhm.
stage 1, stage 2, because we can preserve the breast. We don't need to remove the
it.
breast.
Oh.
Okay, imbes na one toy siya, two toy pa rin siya. Okay? So
Oo.
anong quality ang life mo nang one half mo wala, the other half
Correct.
nandyan. Baka maglakad ka ganyan.
Oo.
Or you have to put siopaw doon sa breast mo para
Mm-mm.
magpantay. So that is a mastectomy.
Mhm.
Can you show the breast conserving? Yan.
Breast
Yung
conserving
previous
surgery
before pa dyan.
with auxiliary lymph nodes. Wow.
Hindi. Before that. Yung breast ng...
Ayan.
Yan. Will you
Lumpectomy.
know that this patient underwent surgery for breast cancer?
Oh, parang
Okay.
hindi.
Wala.
Oo.
Okay. Ito mga 3 years ago pa itong patient.
This is an actual patient.
Actually, it's an
Oh.
actual patient of mine. Okay? See that on the left?
Oo nga.
That's the scar.
Oo.
That's why this is called oncoplastic surgery.
So,
Okay?
meron talaga, gusto nilang ma-conserve yung
We offer that and actually that's the recommendation. You have a better survival if you're treated properly and good quality of life.
Oo.
Oh, si Wantoy ka na, baka iwanan ka pa ng husband mo.
Baka
But
naging
the
cause pa
quality,
ng
and
hiwalayan.
that's really, psychologically, you
Yes.
feel you are not anymore sexually
Yes.
So, ito talaga, this is the standard of treatment all over the world. Babagal lang tayo dito.
Opo.
But, actually, I started this in 2011 pa nung galing ako sa MD Anderson.
Oo.
Okay, so, hindi ko na lang mention, ako kasi nag-start dito, dalawa lang kami naturuan.
Opo.
We're only 2 does this.
Mhm.
The rest, natanggal talaga yung breast.
Oo.
Kawawa talaga. And you
Actually-
can see there, okay. The next
Especially
picture-
siguro, Dok, pag medyo bata-bata pa. Gusto talaga.
Oh yes, we really offer.
Mm.
Sa States ka nang pumunta ako doon, sa 60 years old na,
Gusto niya
nagpakabit pa ng bagong breast Ito naman yung mastectomy. Yung
Oo.
ba ang gusto nila?
Oo nga, no,
Okay.
Dok. May difference talaga,
Wala ka
Dok.
talagang iba. Okay, pakita mo yung previous din, may
Previous.
surgery. Hindi, isa ba? Yung previous. Next.
Next.
Yan.
Ayan.
Okay. Kasi, yan ang,
Lymph nodes.
yan. Right after surgery yan.
Oo.
Okay? Ginawa ko yun sa General Hospital nung
Oo.
hindi pa ako retired.
Oo.
Okay. Yan lang around. Okay? And then, kumukuha kami ng sample sa kilikili
Oo.
para ma-stage namin. Okay.
So, you can do this now here?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Actually, yung isang pasyente sana, kaya lang advance na eh. Hindi ko na lang yun.
Oo.
Okay. But
So-
I've done several here.
Since you've done several surgeries already, ano ba yung side effects after
Ng surgery?
cancer treatments? Or
In general.
in general?
Hindi, start muna tayo sa surgery.
Okay.
Okay. If you undergo mastectomy,
Mhm.
tanggal ito,
Tanggal.
may mga side effects or complication.
Mhm.
Okay. First is, since sinanggal mo rin kulani mo, magkakaroon ka ng contracture dito. Mahirapan ka na magwan. Okay?
Buhat.
Oo, magbuhat. O maski erase.
Mhm.
And of course, yung mastectomy mo, malaki ang chance. I mean, mas kumpara sa maliit na sugat na infection, saka
Mhm.
bleeding.
Mhm.
Okay? Okay. So, yan ang as far as surgery. Pag napabayaan mo dito, naipit, nagka-lymphedema, lumalaki ang kamay.
Ah.
Okay? Yan ang effect ng mga previous type of surgery. Ngayon kasi,
Ngayon, advanced
tingnan mo
na.
yung operation ko sa kilikili, maliit na lang yun.
Maliit
Kumukuha
na
na lang
lang.
ng sample. Pero ito, linisin mo talaga yan.
Oo.
That's for surgery, of course. For chemotherapy, alam na natin lahat yan eh. Nausea, vomiting,
Vomiting.
alopecia,
Yeah.
anorexia,
Mhm.
decrease yung
Fatigue.
immune system mo, fatigue, brain, ano tawag nito? Parang makalimutin ka.
Kalimutin.
Brain,
Kahit naman hindi sila nag-chemo, Dok, ako nga makakalimutin eh.
hindi, pero may effect talaga.
Meron
Oo.
talaga.
And then, you're prone to infection. Di ba ka
Mm.
undergoing chemotherapy ka kasi kaya hindi ka dapat lumalabas, hindi ka rin nagta-travel.
Ah.
So ito mga side effects, but now hindi na masyado because of medication.
Oh.
In the past, nakikita mo sa mga movie,
Oo.
ano bang movie yun? Hindi ko na
Hindi ko na
matandaan,
maalala.
pinapakita talaga.
Opo.
Naman. Okay, tapos, ang kalbo naman, walang problema. They're lucky, they are in
Yes.
Zamboanga because nakapwede sila magturong.
Yes, correct.
Kung hindi
Or,
mo alam.
meron na pong
Ay,
mga
wig, marami
wig,
din. Pero
diba?
some could not afford wig. Pero,
Oo.
and,
Mura na
nag-wig-
ngayon, Dok, ang mga wigs.
Sabagay.
Oo.
Pero dati kasi mga wig, yung pangit-pangit.
Ngayon, very, very natural na yung
Natural
mga wigs.
talaga. Hindi mo nga alam na naka-wig.
You mentioned the different treatments. Are there any alternative treatments?
Okay, that's a very good question, which we will really impound to a lot of patients. There's a difference between complementary
Aha.
and alternative.
Alternative. Okay.
When you say complementary, gagawin mo yung primary treatment like surgery, chemo, idagdag
Add on.
complementary.
Okay.
So example is acupuncture,
Aha.
meditation,
Mhm.
yoga,
Ah.
some food supplements na hindi herbal.
Aha.
Okay? Ito, music therapy. Okay?
Ah.
They are
Parang for
complement.
quality of life.
Yes,
Oo.
correct. That's the correct term to improve the quality of
Quality of
life and
life.
make them, ang tawag nito, makuha nila yung treatment. Pwede sila agwanta o pwede di
Si.
kayo. Okay. Cope with it.
Cope.
Okay.
To cope.
Well,
Oo.
alternative is palitan mo yung treatment.
Okay.
Yun ang hindi namin encourage. And karamihan dyan, ginagamit yung herbal na nakikita natin. And minsan, tinatago nila sa atin.
Oh.
Why? There are some herbal medicine that could potentiate or exaggerate the effect of chemotherapy. Magkaka-complication ka.
Oo. So,
One
kailangan
is
po open
bleeding.
kayo sa mga doctors
Next
ninyo.
is, pwede niyang pahinain yung effect
Mm-mm.
ng chemotherapy. So, parang hindi ka nagpa-chemotherapy. Yun ang effect. And, all over the world, hindi yan sinasuggest ang herbal or alternative. Pero ang iba kasi, they always look for it.
Yes.
So,
You know
kasi-
why? Because it's cheaper?
No,
Perhaps?
it's
Oh,
more
no?
expensive.
Oh.
Oh my God. Grabe. And these are all the direct selling.
Kasi ang lakas ng mga marketing
Sinong kumikita?
din. No?
Yung distributor.
Mm.
Okay? Maybe, I don't know if you can see a doctor selling ganun. Bawal kasi.
Bawal.
Pero mayroon akong alam.
Ah.
Okay? So, ganun ang kwan. And, studies have shown, if you take alternative, herbal,
Mhm.
versus hindi ka nag-take, tapos nagpa-treat ka, mas mataas ang mortality
Oh.
ng mga nag-herbal.
So, stick kayo sa treatments
Okay.
ng mga
Sayang
doctors.
yung pera nila.
Exactly.
Tapos, basahin nyo na lang kung ano nakasulat sa pakete.
No therapeutic
Take.
claims.
Anong ibig sabihin nun? I-interpret natin.
Walang
Sinabi ni
guarantee.
Dr. Cabral ito, okay, former secretary, ito ay hindi gamot. Hindi dapat gagamitin panggamot ng may sakit.
Mm-mm.
Okay?
So, ayun na. So, at least
Sayang.
we've learned
Very
something.
expensive.
Oo. So,
Ang sabihin ko lang is,
mhm.
kung may pera kayo, but after your treatment, okay lang, wala kaming pakialam. Tapos na yung treatment
Tapos
mo.
na. oo.
Hindi mo pinalitan.
Kumbaga, you try the treatment first
Mm.
talaga. Para
Yeah,
at
tapusin
least,
mo muna yung treatment.
oo. Hindi mag-interfere.
Yeah.
Yun.
Correct.
So how will treatment affect a patient's daily life? Meron ba tong may gagawin ba silang weekly?
Wala naman, just do their normal life.
Mhm.
Actually, we want them to be active para hindi sila magkaroon ng fatigue, light exercise, balanced diet. Walang
Ayun.
bawal
Walang bawal na
ha.
food.
Ang dami kasi nagbabawal. Sino nagbabawal? Nanay, kamag-anak, lola. Ay,
Kapit
bawal kang kumain ng karne.
kapitbahay.
Nagkikimo yung pasyente, pumapayat ng pumapayat.
Correct.
Okay. Walang bawal as long as in moderation. Ako nga sabi, pwede kang kumain letson pag may party. Hindi ka namang mag-party everyday eh.
Pero how about smoking and drinking
Ay,
alcohol?
yes. Hindi talaga pwede yun.
Yun, hindi yun
Okay,
pwede.
bawal talaga.
During,
Plano pag chemo. Yun na yung
Oo.
bawal. Pero if pagkain, nutritious food. Okay?
You mentioned something about it affects the sexual intimacy.
Yeah.
Meron bang effect
Ay,
talaga
yeah, of
yun?
course.
Oo.
Of course. Ikaw mismo din,
Mm.
sabihin mo hindi na ako
You don't
sexually
feel
presentable
sexy.
sa wife
Oh,
mo.
ganon.
Ayoko na, gano'n.
Sa bagay, no?
So, anong parating sabihin? No, no, no. So, anong gagawin ng husband? So, pupunta sa ibang kwan.
So, once all of the treatments end, what do they expect? Meron
Ah,
bang re-evaluation?
It will, yeah, always. There should
Okay.
always be a follow-up,
Okay.
monitoring, surveillance ang tawag.
Mhm.
So, after the treatment, every 3 months or 6 months for the first 2 years,
Mhm.
papakonsulta ka, breast self-examination,
Mhm.
physician examination. If there's a need for tests, depende sa doktor. So,
Mhm.
kung mayroon kang sipon, ubo, sumasakit ang mga buto, inuubo, so, diyan ka itetest.
Mhm.
Okay? Minamammogram ka every year to monitor kung mayroon.
Mhm.
So, in any cancer, there will always be a recurrence. So, that's
Mhm.
why babantayan natin. So,
Mhm.
para madae. Ang problem kasi marami pa pagkatapos ng treatment, hindi na babalik. Pagbalik sa'yo after 2 to 3 years, wala na, laki-laki na, hindi na maoperan. Meron ako dyan kahapon, no, hindi na.
Hindi na.
Sayang. Sinabihan na actually na biopsy na siya.
Opo.
Sinabihan na siya na ipatanggal, hindi na patanggal.
Hindi na patanggal.
Oo. Wala.
Ano ba yung usual problem nila why they're not able to do it? Is it money?
I think I have the slides.
Okay.
Pahanap mo nga para ma-emphasize ko to because that's a very good question. Okay. Sa delay.
Oo. Ano yung cost of delay nila?
Mm,
Kasi usually, Doc, you've mentioned na kapag
yung poverty.
there are instances that we cannot do anything na.
Iya, sa ako na
Oo.
yan. Kaya dapat alam mo yung stage eh. So pag when you say stage 4,
Mhm.
okay, treatment of the cancer is incurable na you're just prolonging the life.
Mhm.
Mayroon naman mga dying na talaga na patient that will just do supportive therapy.
Mhm.
Minsan nga sinasabi ko sa patient, if I were your relative, I will not advise any more further treatment. Kasi hihina ka lang,
Correct.
magbebenta pa kayo ng mga kalabaw nyo, bahay nyo.
Bahay, oo.
Okay. Tapos bibigyan ka, lalo ka lang hihina, baka
Correct.
mas mabilis pa.
Mhm.
And I don't want you to suffer more to prolong your life na suffering.
Mhm.
So, die a natural death, supportive, all pain, support by the family, psychological,
Mhm.
correct all family problems.
Oo.
Lalo na mga inheritance.
Correct. Totoo.
Importante.
Kasi magiging problem yan in the long
Ano
run.
na?
So while we're
Oo.
ayan.
Ay, hindi yan. Sige, balik mo lang doon. Yan.
Ayun.
Okay. Ayan.
Reasons for
Isa-isahin
delay.
natin, ano?
Sige po, Doc.
Ito yung sinasabi ko. Some undergo screening, na-diagnose, na biopsy, hindi na-fail, hindi opera, hindi
Aha.
nagpa-treat. So, delay yan.
Aha.
Okay? Nagiging advanced stage na sila. Okay? Or even metastatic na pula. Anong reason?
Mhm.
Bakit ganon? One is poverty. Wala kasi kami
Pera.
pera, Dok eh. Ganon.
Dito
So, sabi
covered
ko,
pa
hindi.
kasi, no?
At that time. Pero maski covered because of so much patients sa general, hindi na sila bumabalik, hindi pumipila. Sana ma-address nila yon. Kasi ang pumupunta sa general ngayon, ang reklamo is pabalik-balik sila. What
Yeah.
if they're from Zamboanga del Sur? I hope,
Nearby
Dr. Kunting,
islands.
dapat ma-address mo ito. Okay?
Mm.
Ina-address ko na si Dr. Dr. Kunting is may ihado sa kasal. Okay? So, dapat ma-address mo yan. Yan naman ang reklamo dyan eh. Okay?
Oo.
So, poverty. But it's not a reason anymore.
Oo.
Hindi
Kasi
na reason.
now,
Libre.
Oo.
Even in the past, nung nandun pa ako, hindi po nag-retire. Libre,
Mm-mm.
maoperahan ka without hindi. Kasi ang daming
Pero kasi, Dok, kahit na libre siya, the going there,
yes,
the daily
yes.
expenses.
Hindi lang niya yung bantay, pagkain ng
Yun.
bantay,
Exactly.
and the condition doon.
Oo.
Okay. Diyos ko naman, para kayong sardinas doon eh. Okay.
So maybe if the government can support it and
Yeah,
extend it to
they can.
the private hospitals as well, that would be a
I
better
hope
option.
they're listening. Okay? Because some private hospital can support this
Yes,
patient. If they are really
definitely.
empathic and compassionate with their patient, padala mo. Hindi naman sila sisingilin kasi merong maip.
Exactly.
Okay?
Oo.
Dan nagbibleed yung heart ko kasi hindi nila pinapaiwanan
Yes.
lang ng mga pasyente.
Kasi yung
We
breast
should network.
Oo.
Okay?
Yung breast cancer itself is already a burden, or I mean, it's already a sad situation. Let's
Yeah.
make it a little seamless, a little
i-alleviate naman natin. Make
alleviate.
it easy.
Oo.
So
So
next
ito,
is knowledge
knowledge.
and awareness. Yan.
Okay.
Kulang pa rin tayo.
Aha.
Despite. So it should be part of the curriculum na siguro ng mga
Oo.
health education, even sa kan pa lang. Okay. Next is availability of centers and treatment. Itong slide kasi ginawa ko pa noon, hindi pa cancer.
Opo.
Ngayon, nandyan na lahat. Libre na nga lahat. Pati
Opo.
targeted therapy for Herceptin. Okay? And noon, wala pang specialist. Ako lang mag-isa. Ako rin nagkikimo dati.
Oh.
Way back in 1990s.
Mhm.
Ang Department of Surgery nagkikimo. Kasi
Oo.
nobody.
Oh.
So, kami nagkimo sa colon, kami nagkimo sa breast, kami
Aha.
nagkimo sa stomach. Okay? So, non-availability. Pero ngayon, kompleto na. So,
Opo.
hindi na problema. Okay? Availability of specialists, andyan na, multidisciplinary na. But this was in the past. Pero sa ibang probinsya, ganun. Kulang
Opo.
talaga. Wala nga pong tupat sa ibang probinsya.
Kaya yung mga iba, pumupunta ng Zamboanga City.
Yes, correct. So, ganun. So, lahat ng surrounding pupunta talaga dito. Next is relatives, friends. Kung
May
ano-anong
stigma
pinagsasadya.
no?
Kung ano. Kasi si Kwan inoperan ng ganun. Kasi si Kwan, pag yun, lalo na grabe. Kasi si Kwan nagpa-biopsy, kakalat lalo.
Oo.
Mga misconception.
Mga myth.
And the third, which also makes my heart bleed. Physician themselves.
Grabe daw ito. Physician.
Yes, there's...
Oo.
Ito kasing sinabi ng consultant ko, ng professor ko.
Oo.
Partly physicians are to blame. Because hindi nila nire-refer.
Mm.
Alam na nila may bukol.
Oo.
Wala silang ginawa.
So,
Okay.
dapat pag...
Minsan nga sabihin, ay benign lang yun.
hindi naman malalaman kung hindi
Ay,
tinest.
ano nga.
Kaya nga.
Minsan naman may iba, tinitreat na.
Oo.
Oo,
Tinitreat na,
meron na
without,
nagkuhan.
diagnosis.
Basta tinatanggal na lang yung bukol. Tapos, merong isa, tinanggal yung bukol, hindi man lang pinabiopsy.
So, what is your message to the viewing public? Whenever you see a lump, punta na
Consult
agad
a
sa
doctor
right physician.
who knows about breast cancer o treats breast cancer. Hindi lang ordinary doctor.
Yes.
So, the best is kung bukol pa lang, is a surgeon.
Surgeon.
Okay.
Guys, surgeon. Di wag na kayong pumunta saan-saan kasi madodoble pa yung...
Madodoble talaga. Punta ka sa iba, hindi surgery, ay minsan hindi unnecessary, ipamammogram o kung hindi pa. Tapos, magkano ang professional fee, tapos i-refer lang.
Doble-doble.
Doble talaga.
When you could have went directly
Saka ang dami
to a
na
surgeon.
examination na ginawa na hindi naman
Kaya
kailangan.
nga. So now,
Ah.
speaking of myth and fact, eto na, Doc.
Maganda
Papahawak ko yan
ito.
sa'yo, Doc. Ready kami sa placards, o diba? May babasahin ako, and then all you need to do is just say myth or fact, and maybe elaborate ng konti.
Okay, sige.
Ayan. So, first statement. Breast cancer only affects older women. Myth or fact?
Myth.
Ayan. So,
It affects more
mhm.
the older patient, but it can affect the younger.
Ayun.
Okay? In the past, mga 30s, pero ngayon, pababa ng pababa.
Oh.
I have a patient who is only 18 years old. Mayroon akong 22. Okay, meron akong 22 na, ewan ko paano, tinrit na isang doktor, naawa ko. 22, tanggalin mo yung breast. Oh my God.
Baka hindi pa yun kasal. Naku po, Lord.
Yun. Hindi pa nga.
Ayun.
Saka government pa nandyan. Naawa
Oo.
talaga ako. And,
Mhm.
pabata ng kwan. So, it's a myth.
Okay.
Although, pag elderly ka na, mas mataas talaga ang chance.
Mataas. Ayun.
Pataas ng pataas ang risk.
Second statement. Only women with a family history of breast cancer are at risk. Myth
Okay.
or fact?
Myth. Sabi ko na yan
Ayan.
kanina. Okay? Majority have no risk factors. Okay? Yung may family history na wala naman sa genes, hindi ibig sabihin wala silang BRCA1, BRCA2, they're around 15%, 20%. While yung hereditary na nag-positive ng genes nila, nasa 5% or less than 10%. Okay?
Oo.
Pero majority, wala talagang
Ayun.
kahit anong risk factors mahanap mo. Okay?
If you don't have symptoms, you don't need to get screened. Myth or fact?
If you have a bukol, kahit walang symptoms, so myth pa rin yan. No?
Oo.
Pa-check up ka. Because ang purpose natin is early diagnosis, early treatment, good survival.
Oo.
Okay?
Ito, naririnig ko to parati, Doc. Wearing a bra, especially underwire bras, causes breast cancer. Myth or fact?
It's a myth. Okay? As long as hindi mo bra yun. O yung lalaki na nagbra.
Oo.
It's a myth. Biniblame nila yung underwire eh. If, hindi ko alam kung sabihin, kung saging yung breast mo, kawawa ka kung hindi ka magbra. So, it's a support.
Correct.
Okay? Pero kung hindi ka comfortable, okay lang hindi
Okay
magbra.
lang,
Pero if there's another one is, Dok, nasipa, nabangga ang breast ko.
Oo.
Kasama ba sa tanong mo?
Opo.
Okay, so sagutin ko na, it's a myth.
Oo.
Okay? Hindi nagkukos yung pagkabangga o nasipa ng anak yung bukol na naging breast cancer. It just made them aware kasi masakit, tinawakan.
Oo. Baka nga
yung
naging blessing
breast.
in disguise
So,
pa.
na-detect nila, pasalamat sila sa
Oo,
anak
oo.
nila o nabangga sila.
Ayun.
Okay.
Breast cancer cannot be prevented. Myth or fact?
Partly myth, partly fact. Kasi
Pag hereditary.
alam mo lang yung, ang tawag nito? Pag alam mo lang yung exact cause, that's the only time you can prevent it. But there's such a thing as, and it is called primary prevention. There's what is called secondary prevention. And when you say secondary prevention, is doing some tests or prevention so you can diagnose early. So yung mammography is a secondary prevention. You do mammography, you do an ultrasound, and you biopsy. Okay? Iba kasi nagpa-mammogram, nagpa-ultrasound pero walang ginawa. May bukol. So
Correct.
that's not. So it should be a package. So ano ba yung sinabi mo tungkol sa
Cannot be prevented.
cannot be prevented? There are cases. So ang BRCA1, yung genetic, yan, pwede mo na ma-prevent siguro at this
Ay,
time
yung
because
bagong ano.
pwede ka na magpa-prophylactic.
Opo.
No? Patanggal mo na yung breast mo and then pa-reconstruct
Bago pa.
mo.
Correct.
Yung ginawa ni Angelina. And
Angelina.
more and more in America ngayon. Ang iba pa nga, natanggal na yung one breast kasi nag-BRCA1 2, pinatanggal na rin the other. So, risk reduction surgery ang tawag namin.
Opo.
Hindi na sa dati kasi preventive mastectomy. We call it risk reduction surgery. So, as of now. Pero dati kasi wala yan. So, hindi ko sinasabi kung myth pa yan. So,
Yung sa mga nagpapa-breast enhancement, Doc,
okay.
yung mga implants,
Yeah.
does it cause breast cancer? Myth or fact?
Again, myth.
Okay.
Okay.
Ay, pwede.
Pwede. As long as it's done by the proper specialist
Yes.
because it's done in the right plane kung saan.
Correct.
It's placed under the muscle of the breast. So, hindi sa breast. So, wala sa breast. Ang problema lang minsan, it makes the examination difficult. Okay? So, minsan nga pag ganyan, MRI na ginagamit. Ang mahirap, pag intraparenchymal ang injection ng silicone. Mahirap talaga yun. Kasi bukol-bukol ka na doon.
Correct.
Tapos mahirap na sa mammogram. So,
Saka, ang pinaka gist dyan, huwag kayong makinig sa mga haka-haka ng iba. You have
Saka,
to...
huwag ka sa mga fly-by-night. Mahirap na. You consult a plastic surgeon.
Correct.
We have a plastic surgeon here in Zamboanga.
Ayun,
Okay.
meron.
Tina-train ko yon, estudyante ko yon. Okay. Under pa
Abangan
yan
nyo
kay Dr.
yan.
Elena. Dati yan. Okay. Okay.
Ito, last doc. Breast cancer only affects the breast and never spreads. Myth or fact?
That's a myth. Okay.
Okay.
Pag hindi mo pinagamot, kakalat yan.
Oo.
Talagang kakalat ng kakalat. Kaya nakita mo, may picture ako, nagkalat na sa lungs.
Oo.
So, yung lung, para matakot sila kung ano itsura ng lungs nila pag kumalat na.
Oo.
Okay? Mayroon sa liver, Diyos ko, nakakaawa.
Mm-mm.
Nakita niyo naman siguro mga atay ng mga baka, mga
Opo.
Okay? So, hanapin mo lang para, importante kasi yung pictures it will
Oo. It will give you a
Oo.
visual.
stick sa mind nila kung ano
Yes.
itsura.
Oo.
Okay?
So,
Hindi lang na,
before we end and before we show that, doc, what is your message to the viewing public na, any about breast cancer as a whole?
yeah. Okay. Tinatawag natin
Ayan na, doc.
do your breast self. Ayan. Tingnan niyo yung lungs niya. Puro bukol. And if this patient have this, he has only maximum of 6 months to live.
Oh my.
So, itong mga patients, with prayers na lang sinasuggest namin. Wala na magawa. Okay? Then, sa atay, yan.
Oh.
Nako. Okay? Huwag naman tayo umabot yan. Kasi pag, although kung may mga bukol kang na isa pa lang, pwede pa rin matreat. Pero pag ganyan, kalat na. So,
Kalat talaga.
ayaw namin umabot yan. Kasi sayang, available naman lahat eh. Oo. Okay. So, message is for all women, do your breast self-examination.
Mhm.
If you're going to do this for the first time, take note, ano ang feel mo sa breast mo.
Mhm.
The next month, dapat ang mapi-feel mo, pareho pa rin.
Mhm.
Pag may iba, consult a doctor.
Mhm.
Do this 1 week to 10 days after your first day of your menstruation.
Mhm.
Okay? Para hindi na mamaga, hindi masakit. The next is physician breast examination. Pa-examine ka sa breast. Kung may finding ka na, may pa-examine ka sa doktor, ang doktor mag-i-examine. And based on examination, magre-request sila ng either ultrasonography or mammography. And from there, madi-detect early. Next, general tips to all. It will prevent not only cancers, it will prevent or decrease your risk of cardiopulmonary diseases.
Mhm.
Suggested by all, exercise. Hindi mo kailangan pumunta sa gym. Just walk. 30 minutes na hinihingal ka. Okay? Hindi mo kailangan tumakbo. Walk lang. Okay na. Ang apps nyo sa mga iPhone nyo, may mga iPhone kayo,
Opo,
maka-count
meron
nyo.
ng mga matatrack
Oo.
na.
Next, maski sa bahay lang.
Opo.
Next is balanced diet.
Mhm.
Okay? Ibig sabihin, you can eat anything in moderation.
Aha.
But, kung may diabetes ka, of course, bawasan mo yung mga sugar mo sa mga kwan. Pag mataas ang cholesterol, bawasan. Pero hindi sa bawal.
Mhm.
Okay? Ang biro ko nga, if my patient is an Islam, sabi ko lang bawal na. Only bawal is baboy.
So, swerte sila. Hindi naman sila
Wala.
makain.
Hindi na kailangan babawalan. Okay? So,
Correct.
balanced diet. And since may mga Caucasian kwan tayo, blood eh.
Mhm.
Stay away from sunlight. Kaya usong-uso yung sunblock.
Sunscreen.
Okay, skin naman. Next is pabaksin. Hepatitis B sa children.
Mhm.
Pagkapanganak, mayroon na dapat because hepatitis B is one of the cause of liver cancer.
Ayun.
And of course, smoking. Majority, although sabihin mo hindi naman lahat caused by smoking, pero majority is smoking.
Yeah.
So, exercise.
And also, siguro yung wag masyadong lumapit din sa mga nagsusmoke, 'di ba?
Of course.
Second
Kung
hand.
nasa kwan kayo, close.
Close.
Oo, kasi marami ngayon yung kwan eh. Second hand smoke eh. Oo. Okay. So, yun lang.
And I think the best advice din po is pumunta po kayo sa Premier Medical Center. Kasi andito naman po lahat ng
Soon,
mga
baka
specialista.
magkaroon na tayo ng breast
Yan.
center talaga
Ayan.
para ma-dedicate sa mga patients. Ano.
With,
Oo.
oo.
We have the ultrasound naman here.
Mhm.
Okay. We can do the surgery. Okay.
So, for their peace of mind, Doc, if ever they want to get in touch with you or to have themselves checked, how can they make an appointment with you here at Premier Medical Center?
I don't know kung ethical ba 'to. Baka bawal? Hindi ba
Hindi
bawal?
naman
Okay,
po.
sige. Kasi
Kasi
ako nag-iingat.
they usually ask kasi
Mm,
after the podcast
oo,
kung
okay.
papaano.
So, I have a clinic here at, the only clinic kasi dati nasa SAIC ako, eh.
Mm-mm.
Nag-close na yung SAIC. So, transfer. I am at 4th floor, room
Mhm.
437,
Mhm.
Monday, Tuesday, walang Wednesday,
Okay.
rest ko. Thursday and Friday, walang Saturday,
Okay.
Sunday. 9:30 to 11:30.
11:30.
Okay.
Okay. And
So,
ayan, you can always message naman po sa Premier
ano,
Medical
if you
Center.
have my cellphone number, I have my number, akong sasagot. Pero kung tinawagan mo yung secretary ko, wife ko yon, nurse ko yon, siya rin sasagot. Pero I'm proud to say that ako binibigay ko cellphone ko.
Oh.
Tawagan talaga ako nila,
Para
walang problema.
ano, no,
Huwag lang
mas
silang humingi ng reseta sa cellphone. Huwag silang magkonsulta sa cellphone.
nagkonsulta sa cellphone, no?
Maghingi ng
No,
reseta.
parang pwede
Oy,
pa ba sa
yung,
pareseta?
oo, yung,
Ano ba yung, speaking of that, Doc, ano yung pinaka-weird mo na nakuhang call? Yan ba? Yung nagpapareseta over the phone?
reseta na hindi naman siya. Sa kaibigan
Ah,
niya.
ano ba yun?
Ang masama pa, yung reseta, kailangan ng S2. So sabi ko, wala akong S2. Hindi ako
Ayun.
nag-S2 na eh.
Ayun.
Okay.
So guys, you can always visit Dr. Alex
Pero
Escolastico.
semi-retired na ako
Sa
Tanda
Rio.
na ako.
Opo, sige
Okay.
lang.
So,
Ay, wala namang tumatanda, Doc. Parang
oo nga,
looking
baka lang,
young.
no? Baka kalabaw lang.
Ayan. So it has been a fun discussion, Doc. Thank you so much.
Okay.
I hope marami po kayong natutunan sa ating breast cancer awareness. This is actually an advance episode for Breast Cancer Awareness Month, which is on
October.
October, 'di ba?
Hindi natin natakil yung chemotherapy kasi hindi ko specialty.
Aha.
Radiotherapy. So
Mhm.
probably next time
Probably
pwede
in
ko
the next coming is.
mag-invite kayo.
Kung meron po kayong mga suggestions on our topics, you can always comment on any of our live streams. And soon po, magiging available na rin po ang Premier Medical Center YouTube account
Wow.
para po meron po kayong ma-browse and about all of the topics that we have discussed. And baka TikTok rin para
Oh,
sa mga
nice.
snippets. Ayan. Kasi marami na rin tayong mga TikTok dances. Pati si
Oo.
Doc mamaya, papa-TikTok natin.
Sama si Dr. Nena.
Ayan. So don't forget to follow Premier Medical Center Zamboanga and of course, Zamboanga Guy, your host, for more health contents and medical service updates. This has been your host, Bedi of Zamboanga Guy. Thank you so much. And thank you so much for supporting Premier Medical Center. We don't just treat, we care. Keep safe, stay hydrated, and hasta la vista. Good afternoon, everyone. Bye.
Step inside where hope begins to rise.